Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can basically find all the keys and items on the first chapter of Lana's quest in Dress to Impress. I'm just going to go to this barn, and I'm just going to climb these stairs to get the first key, which is the blue key. And I'm just going to go back inside the house. There is a monster, so just be careful. There's a monster in almost every chapter. I'm just going to go upstairs and I'm going to go to the room to the left. I'm going to open up this door. Then I'm going to grab the camera, which is underneath these boxes, and I'm just going to go to Lana's room and I'm just going to deposit the item. There is another key in Lana's room, which is the pink key over here. And I'm just going to go to the living room to open the door. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just got caught. I don't mind it though. Again? Okay, now I mind. Okay, just kind of look first through the windows and see where the monsters are. It is a little bit harder to play by yourself because you're their only target. So kind of just wait it out. Okay, they're there. I'm just going to open up this door. And you'll see a paint palette on top here. And I'm just going to run again. Deposit the item here. Go to the next room and grab the key. Here is the purple key. And you are going to want to go downstairs and you're going to go out. Just make sure you kind of see where they are at. I'm just going to go out. And you're going to go to the left and you'll see like this garage. Unlock the purple lock and you'll see a teddy bear there and you're just going to grab it. It's underneath the wood planks. I don't know. And you're just going to go up again. Oh my god, I almost got caught by them. You're just going to deposit this to Lana. You have 3 more keys and 3 more items to get. You need to go down. Are they gonna move? Like, if I go down, I'm gonna die. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. You know what? I'm just gonna run. Three of the other keys are downstairs, and it's a little bit tricky because the monsters. Okay, there we go. Thank you. I'm just going to get the one here first because it is the hardest to get. Oh, I should probably get the yellow key first, honestly, which is here. Oh, I can't. Okay, it's fine. I'll get the green key first, and then we just have to go back upstairs to the attic here, and we're just going to unlock the attic door. Is that even a door? You'll find a book underneath this one, these boxes here. What is it? Green Hills book. And you're just going to again deposit it. 2 more items, 2 more keys. Great. I mean, I still have a lot of lives left, right? Like, should I just... No, they're going up. Oh, they're going back up again. No, they're going down. Come on, make your choice. Hello? Oh, okay. I'm gonna wait outside. I'm gonna wait until you guys chill. Okay, I'm gonna get the orange key. It is a little bit tricky because they do hang out in that spot quite a lot. So I'm just going to wait for them to kind of go upstairs, and then I'm going to go to that door, to that room, sorry. Go up, come on. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. They don't even want to go upstairs. Look, they're just chilling. Like, are you kidding me? Go up, go up. There we go. Oh my gosh, thank you, monsters. Whatever you are. Ugh, I hate that I can hear their breath. The nail file is behind the trash can here. Run, run, run. They won't go into the rooms, by the way, so you're safe in there. The last key is in the like cooking pot. Oh my gosh. Now they're gonna be stuck there. Yeah, honestly, let me just go out. Oh, okay, that worked. Get the key from the cooking pot and go outside to the left and go to the basement and just unlock this red one. And you'll get the last piece. It's underneath this table. It's a journal. You're just going to go back upstairs and you're going to then give this to Lana, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.